Big news, Bayelsa. A CNG Vehicle Assembly Plant is coming. And guess what? It's more than just cars. It's massive opportunities. The Bayelsa State government welcomes the initiative by innocent vehicle manufacturers and promises a conducive work environment. This means new jobs, skills training, and contracts for local businesses, from mechanics to suppliers and transporters, food vendors and hoteliers. CNG means compressed natural gas. It is cheaper, cleaner, and better for the environment. Bayelsa is endowed with massive natural gas deposits.
Follow us on Afri-Innovate for more updates on sustainable innovations and green solutions across Africa.